In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively navigate and make purchases on AliExpress, a popular online retail service that connects you with sellers, offering a huge variety of products. Whether you're new to online shopping or just new to AliExpress, this guide will walk you through the entire process, providing tips and insights along the way. We'll start by visiting the AliExpress website. Simply open your web browser and type in aliexpress.com to reach the main page. This is your gateway to thousands of products from different categories, be it electronics, fashion, home goods, or more. Take a moment to get familiar with the layout. You'll find that product categories are neatly organized, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Once you're on the site, the next step is selecting the products that catch your eye. You can use the search bar at the top to directly enter the item you have in mind, or browse through the categories if you're exploring options. As you scroll through the results, be sure to check product descriptions and reviews to ensure that the products meet your expectations. Reviews and ratings from other buyers are crucial in assessing product quality and seller reputation. When you've found a product you want to purchase, click on it to open the product page. Here, you'll see detailed information about the product, pricing and shipping options. If everything looks good and you're ready to buy, look for the Buy Now button. Clicking this will take you to the order confirmation page. But remember, just clicking this button doesn't mean you have committed to buy. It's merely the step that leads you towards finalizing your purchase. Now that you're at the order confirmation page, you'll want to ensure your purchase is correct. AliExpress will show an overview of your selected items, the quantities and the total price. If you're satisfied with everything, proceed by clicking the Place Order button. This confirms your desire to purchase and takes you to the payment page where you can input your payment information securely. If it's your first time purchasing on AliExpress, remember that many sellers ship internationally, so be sure to confirm the shipping costs and estimated delivery times. Make sure your shipping address is correctly filled out to avoid any delivery issues. In summary, navigating AliExpress is a straightforward process when you know what steps to take. From exploring the vast array of products to making informed decisions by reading reviews and confirming your order details, each step is designed to enhance your shopping experience. So go ahead, explore and maybe try purchasing your next item from AliExpress with ease.